quality care. The third is talking to the children, giving them time to counsel them, to guide them, to tell them that there is danger here.
Myaka hingwire district ya Kasese ne mahari za district zabere zebembeire umubare gw'abana abari kushoyerwa bakiri bato hotereho nabo abari kutwara imyaka yabo itakahikire wahati banyuma yabibe bushoborozi hamwe nabebembezi ukukwatanisiza hamwe ukurwanisa umuzogu umbare gw'abana aba gugenzere n'gutsendera mugombore yawe sumbuyonka Abaishiki 10 abaye bari ahishomero mwendo muri aba bakabana bargamu kanda binjo muri aba bakabana bargo mu ishomero ubo bari kuza kushoyerwa.
We are glad that we have been able to reduce the prevalence rates of child marriages in this sub-county. Last month, in the month of May, we conducted an end-line survey, and this survey showed us that now, if 10 girls were to drop out of school, at least it is only like 3 of them who are going to engage in child marriage.
Uko bwahati nambezi hegenzere netuba bwahati Abaishiki 3 nibo bari kurwo mu ishomero ahari abi 10 abari kuba batandikira ishomero.
We conducted a baseline survey that of course gave us the figures, and we realized that 9 out of 10 girls that dropped out of school in Western sub-county were having a mind of getting married. If 10 were to drop out, 9 of them were likely to be getting married at an early age.
We need to engage the parents, because mostly parents are part of the perpetrators in this. Most of them don't provide scholastic materials to the school-going children, so it necessitates them to drop.
Eki kikaijaho banyuma y'abebembezi hamwe n'abebe bushoborozi ukukwatanisiza hamwe ukushomesa abantu ahashonga zitari zimwe na zimwe ukutira munonga akabi akariyo mbana ukushwerwa bakiri bato uteireho no kushagikabo ababe bateine buyambi itabire nche bagemesereza ukorga Omumashomero.
With the intervention of NGOs like Alliance for Youth and Children, we are now witnessing a situation where they are declaring 15 villages out of 24 villages. Now these villages are child marriage free villages.
Ukurigirira har commissioner abweshonga zemyeto ministry yekikura cy'abantu mondo cyateke nagira ngo ikizibu cy'abana ukushoyerwa bakiri bato uteriho nabo abari kutwara imyaka yabe kiriya hansi nikiretwa abazeire abatari kufayo hamyuga yabo uteriho n'abantu bahati abatari kufayo ombyange bituri kutura.
Parents, if parents were giving time to their children, then a lot of things can be done. The fourth is what we see in schools: guidance and counseling. Schools must have a strong element of senior women teachers, of senior male teachers, who should counsel the young people.
Ogu naendangwa bebembezi abendengo zitari zimwe na zimwe abaruma bebyubuhangwa abebembezi b'amadini hoteireho n'abebembezi abebitongore bitari bimwe na bimwe bya government okukwatanisiza hamwe okurwanisa omuzogu.
People in a community must treat children within the community as if they are their own children, and therefore protect them against any injuries, against any things that are uncalled for. You don't befriend a child of your neighbor. Look at the child of the neighbor as if it's your own child.
Makuraga gasha kwa Gerard Muhindo wa Sky TV Agenshonga Kasese.